Hi there, this is a Count My Crypto screencast. My name's Bruce, I'm one of the developers at Count My Crypto, and this screencast is concentrating on the new feature we've added to our extension, which is a bidirectional calculator. So I'm starting us off at the Count My Crypto website, and the one thing that I want you to notice is my current holdings, Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Great. So let's show you what the calculator looks like. You open the extension over here and you'll notice a tiny grayed out calculator here. This is the preference screen, which you're familiar with if you've installed the extension. And here we go. So that's what the Count My Crypto calculator looks like. Okay, let's get started. So I've logged on to the exchange where I do the majority of my trading, which is Cryptsy, for the benefit of this demonstration. Let's open up the extension. We'll just cover the icon key so you're familiar with everything before you remove it. So the first icon, refresh crypto rates, which is this one right here. The purpose of this one is Count My Crypto has aggregated a whole lot of exchanges, 4 exchanges to date, and that aggregation gets updated every 10 minutes. So some of the rates that you'll see might be slightly out of date with the other exchanges, for example, Cryptsy. So it's always a good idea to give that a click when you first arrive, and it'll grab the latest markets from our web service. The second icon is add a cryptocurrency. It's very simple. You click the plus icon and you get a list of all of the cryptocurrencies. And I think today we'll just we'll click Litecoin. There we go. Okay, so that's what happens. It slides in nice and neatly. Next icon is delete. So when you roll over an inactive column, you'll see the little delete button. Click that, disappears. Great. Edit crypto rate. Right. So let's add in a coin so I can show you how that is. If you have a look at the website at the moment, I'm looking at the 42 coin market, and it's giving me all of the data that I'm going to see if this coin is interesting to purchase. Now, what this particular preference does is when I add in that coin, 42 coin, see it arrives. Now, if you look closely at the bottom here, it's always a Bitcoin ratio of the coin you're purchasing. You'll see this tiny little pencil followed by the rate that we currently have on our servers, which is 44.05, etc. Now, if we have a look at the market on Cryptsy, we can see that actually ours is slightly behind Cryptsy. So their price per unit is 44.98. And then if we have a look down at the bottom here, we can see some of the other buy and sell orders of 44.05 or 46.10, etc., etc. So that's what this little pencil allows you to do. You can click on the row and then update the market of the coin you're going to purchase, because the seller will have their own price. So let's just say that we're going to update that to reflect a buy order, the top one, which is 0.050. Okay, so I've updated my buy rate. For this demonstration, let us presume that we're going to spend £100. We have £100 to invest. As I type in the £100, you immediately see it reflect on what the 42 coin value is, and it also tells you a respective Bitcoin value. Okay, I'm going to show you these last two little things before we continue with the demo. Upload to Count My Crypto, and then press C to clear the input. Right, I'll start with the second one. So if I'm on any input and it's selected, so it's gone white, and I press the letter C on my keyboard, it'll clear all inputs. It's just a quick tip. So if I say I've got one 42 coin, you can automatically see it's an expensive coin to have. Okay, press C, gone. Okay, so that's that keyboard shortcut, which is very handy. So where were we? We've got £100 to spend, and we're looking at 42 coin, and we decide that we'll have to consider some of the other markets before we actually trade our £100. And so what we can do is so these are, we've covered those, we'll just get rid of it, clicking the delete icon. Let's have a look. So the BTC markets, Aurora coin. So we'll add Aurora coin just for, okay, and this is coming up at that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And let's have a look. 42 coin is too expensive. Get rid of that. And perhaps we'll have some Litecoin. There we go, some Litecoin. And everybody's favorites, Dog. Okay, great. So the reason we're calling this a bidirectional calculator is because editing any of the fields will automatically update all of the other fields. So let's say that on Cryptsy I have currently got some Bitcoin already in my wallet. Let's, for argument's sake, there's 3. So C to clear, and then 3, and that'll update everything else to tell you how much 3 is currently worth in pounds, GBP, and it'll also tell you how many of the other coins that I can purchase with my 3 Bitcoin. So it's pretty straightforward. You can stack up these things as many as you want, and the very last thing to show you is once you've decided on the coin and you've purchased your coin, we've included another feature that that will allow you to automatically push it into your Count My Crypto webpage where you've got all of your holdings to track. So let's complete the purchase and say that in the end I spent £73 and I ended up buying some Dogecoin. Great. And when the transaction was finished, it was actually came out at let's just round it up to that. Okay, good. The last icon. Notice that when I've got an active row in the cryptocurrencies, it's white, and the icon in the top right hand corner changes. You see, that's a delete. So, okay, notice now it's it deletes. When I click inside the row, it changes to this little icon, which is the upload icon. So what is there to notice? It's Dogcoin, and there's 217,000 plus. Clicking this icon will immediately take you through to countmycrypto.com, and it will add in the purchase that you've just completed, which you can then, track your holdings and do whatever you have to do. So there we go, guys. This is the Count My Crypto Chrome extension. Just going over the how the calculator works. Any feedback, please send us a tweet. If this is your starting point, there are a couple of other videos. The introduction to using the website. There's a screencast on the preferences for the extension, and then there's a demo on how the website works on your phone. Have a look at those. We would really appreciate if you could leave us a comment in the Chrome store, and we hope that you really enjoy using this extension, and please let us know if there's any functionality you would like to see there, because Count My Crypto is all about supporting you, the trader, and giving you tools which are really helpful to make your trading easier. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.